So, good afternoon, sir. My name is Engine Cadet Janel C. Valle, and my partner is Engine Cadet James Tolentino. So, we are here today to talk about copper IUD. So, copper IUD is a long-acting reversible method of contraceptive widely used for prevention of pregnancy. It is small T-shaped, made of plastic and wrapped with a copper wire, which is inserted into uterus by a qualified healthcare professional. The presence of copper produces of sperm mesosal effect by releasing copper ions into the uterus environment. So, thereby inhibiting sperm motility and viability and preventing fertilization. So, copper IUD is highly effective of success rate of over 99% and provides contraception for a duration to 10 to 12 years depending on the specific model used. And due to its effectiveness, long duration of action, and reversibility, the copper IUD is considered of safe and reliable choice for family planning. So, here's some of advantages and disadvantages of using copper IUD. So first, advantages of using copper IUD. So first, it's very effective and it can stay in place 5 to 10 years or even 12 years. Even 12 years depending on which model you use. And it does not contain hormones, so it has no hormonal side effects. And your fertility goes back to normal straight away when you take it out. So here's some disadvantages of using copper IUD. First, your period can be longer or heavier, and it doesn't protect against sexually transmittable infections or STI, and it requires procedure to be put it in or put it out, and putting it in can feel uncomfortable or painful for some people.
So, the copper IUD is highly effective, 99.5 non-hormonal contraceptive that can prevent pregnancy or for up to 10 years in the Philippines. It is available in public and private clinics costing 10,000 to 15,000 in private facilities, while government health centers may offer free or at low cost, like sa ng barangay ba, like ay nang sa lungsod like pasoslub ka ni like libre or gamay lang bayad. It is preferred for being long-lasting, hormone-free, and low maintenance, but some may avoid it due to heavier menstrual bleeding, stronger cramps, or but effectively like patiing but effect and the need for medical procedure for insertion and removal, like kanang kanang gasto ay nang sakit sa kanang itaod o kanang gasto sakit o kanang tangtang kay daghan siyang procedure buhaton, like ikaw masakitan bay ato mga mga asawa or uyab may masakitan. Pero overall, it is a reliable option depending on individual health and comfort. Pero magtipintir nato ay ganahan ta. So, preventing pregnancy in the Philippines, it usually costs 10,000 to 15,000 in private clinics, but it may be free or low cost in government health centers and can be covered by PhilHealth. It is widely available in both public and private facilities.